Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I created this set of nails here using a brush up builder gel in the shade Blossom. So to start off with, I'm just doing a little infill on my nails with the brush up builder gel. So I just apply my base coat there and I cure that for 30 seconds in my LED. Then I go in with my gel strengthener, apply that and cure that for 30 seconds, and then I go in with 2 coats of my brush up builder gel in the shade Blossom from Miss You Beauty Nails. It's absolutely gorgeous. I really love this. As you can see, you can get the perfect colour out of it. It is amazing and it builds up the nail as well at the same time. So I cured this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and then I went in with another coat of the same colour and I cured that in my LED lamp also for 60 seconds. I really love this colour, it's gorgeous. So then with my Miss You Beauty's Diamond Glitter in the shade Emerald and my gel number 6, I think it is, my gel brush from Miss You Beauty, I just apply this at the cuticle area and I fade it down the nail in the ombre style. So I actually cure that in my LED lamp and then I go in with another coat of that just so that it looked a little bit more, so there was more glitter basically. And then I applied my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cured that for 60 seconds. Cute. So then on my forefinger I did the same. So I'm just showing you again how I create an infill. Normally I would use the clear brush up builder gel, but because I wanted to use the colour Blossom, I went in and did my infill with this brush up builder gel so that I was able to cover the entire nail with it. So again, I cured it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and then I went in with another coat. Also guys, I just wanted to apologise for not doing an intro and an outro video to this little tutorial, just not feeling myself recently, so I do apologise for that guys. So all you've got is a voiceover. Hope you don't mind too much. So then with Alexandrite Diamond Glitter, as you can see, we've got purple and blue here, perfect colour combo I think. So I'm just giving it a little stir because you kind of need to do that to get all the glitter spread evenly throughout the gel. So yeah, so with this one again in the same style, I just went down from the cuticle area down the nail and created an ombre effect. So then on my middle finger I went in with the diamond glitter in the shade Venus. Look at that, how beautiful is that? This has got like stars and like pink stars and silver pieces and lilacs. It's really gorgeous. Absolutely love this one. So I actually apply 2 coats of this, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I apply top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So on my ring finger I go in with the shade Athena, and this diamond glitter here has got a mixture of purples and like a minty green and a little tiny bit of blues. There's all different colours in there. Really, really gorgeous. Love it. So yeah, again, I just applied one coat of this because there's plenty of glitter in there, and cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I went in with some top coat. And on my little finger I went in with the diamond glitter in the shade Sapphire. So this has got a mixture of silver foil glittery pieces and it's got dark blues. It's pretty awesome, and I just, as I said, I just love to see the glitter all rising to the top as I stir the mix. Love it. So yeah, so I applied a coat of this to my nail and cured it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I went in with my non-white UV gel top coat, which I cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I do appreciate all of your love and support. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a big thumbs up as always. Let me know in the comments section what you thought to this design, if you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd love to hear from you, and if you've got any suggestions for further videos, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.